90% of men today have low testosterone, and there's a high chance you might be one of them. Science says levels between 300 to 500 ng/dl are normal, but in reality, that's already on the lower side. Testosterone isn't just another hormone, it controls sperm production, muscle growth, bone strength, skin health, and even plays a role in height and overall masculinity. When your testosterone drops, your entire system starts to weaken. So the real question is, how do you know if your testosterone is low, and more importantly, how do you fix it? Sign 1. Chest and belly fat. If you're carrying extra fat around your chest and belly, it's not just a diet issue, it's hormonal. Your body fat produces an enzyme called aromatase, which converts testosterone into estrogen. That means the more fat you have, the more testosterone gets destroyed. And as your testosterone drops, your body stores even more fat. This creates a dangerous cycle that keeps getting worse unless you break it. Sign 2. Weak muscles and low energy. If you're under 35 and simple tasks leave you feeling tired, your muscles feel weak, or you experience random cramps, this isn't normal. Many people blame stress or lack of nutrients, but the real issue is often low testosterone. This hormone is responsible for strength, endurance, and recovery. When it's low, your body simply doesn't perform the way it should. Sign 3. No morning erection. This is one of the clearest signals your body gives you. Testosterone levels are highest in the morning, which is why healthy men often wake up with an erection. If that's missing or noticeably weaker, it's a strong sign that your testosterone, blood flow, and overall hormonal health are not where they should be. Ignoring this sign can lead to bigger problems over time. How to fix it? Step 4. Sweat and exercise. One of the simplest and most powerful ways to boost testosterone is through sweating. Regular sweating helps your body balance hormones and reduce excess estrogen. The most effective method is sprinting. Just 3 sets of sprints, 3 times a week, can significantly improve your hormone levels. It not only makes you sweat but also builds muscle and releases growth hormone, making it one of the best natural solutions. Step 5. Sleep properly. Testosterone is not built in the gym, it's built while you sleep. During deep sleep, your body repairs muscles and resets hormone levels. If you're not getting enough rest, your testosterone will suffer no matter how hard you train or how well you eat. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your body to fully recover and function properly. Step 6. Eat the right foods. Your body needs key nutrients like protein, zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats to produce testosterone. A simple and effective breakfast can make a big difference. If you eat non-vegetarian food, go for a egg omelette with some melon on the side. If you're vegetarian, high-protein oats with dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, and cashews work well. Following this consistently, even for 10 days, can noticeably improve your energy, strength, and focus. OUTRO. Fixing your testosterone isn't complicated, but it does require consistency. Focus on training, proper sleep, and the right nutrition, and your body will respond. If you want to keep improving your mindset, discipline, and overall lifestyle, join the Zolvin Brotherhood through the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more content like this.